Hi, Jake. Hi. Wow, are you talking to me? Are you talking to Mommy? Really? Oh my goodness. Tell me what's on your mind. Tell Mommy what's on your mind. Wow. Are you having a good day? Yeah. I'm so glad that you're having a good day. Yeah, it's Friday. It's the weekend. Yay! Yay, Jacob. Hi, silly boy. Showing me that tongue. Are you wondering why this camera's on you again? It's always on you. I know. That was pretty excited. That was a pretty excited little squeal. Okay, let's say goodbye. Somebody's starting to look like they're getting a little crabby.